Hello guys, welcome to Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll be making broccoli pasta for dinner. So my girls requested for pasta, and since I know they don't really eat enough vegetable, I am not going to use any bolognese or any tomatoes. Today I'll be using just broccoli and some other ingredients to make a yummy broccoli pasta recipe. Continue watching, join us as we cook together. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button on our channel. And please don't forget to leave us a comment in the comment section. Let's know what we'll be cooking together in our next video. Thanks for watching. So on a hot pan, we are going to add some oil, add some onions. Then we allow the onions to cook a little until it turns to a slight brown. Now we're going to add some peas. We add some cashew nuts. Then come the broccoli. This broccoli is already boiled and squeezed, so I've removed all the water from it because I don't want my salt water. Then I'm going to add some seasoning cube and some salt to this. Then fry everything together. I'll stir fry everything together for at least a minute and a half or 2 minutes and blend it. After blending, you see this good, blend it until it's smooth. Then you see this nice paste. To this paste, I'm going to add a little bit of salt again and some seasoning cube. Then to that, I'm going to add my boiled pasta and then mix everything together once more. As you can see, I'm adding my pasta to it. I'm using this beautiful bowl pasta because my children love it. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to mix everything together on low heat. See how it looks. It looks so yummy. It looks creamy. I'm going to mix it on low heat. Mix everything together. Oh my god, look at that beautiful color. I let it cook for this. So here's the final look of our broccoli pasta is ready. Let's have a taste of it. See how creamy it looks. Let me have a taste of it. So yummy.